Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you how to install Fortnite on your Android phone. Please drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my latest videos. Now, first what you want to do is just press Google and then search up Fortnite download for Android. And just hit enter. And the first one that's over here, just press it. Don't go to any other website because you might be downloading a malware, like a virus in your device. And now you want to press this, and then here will come this file. Now I've already downloaded it, but let's just go ahead and download it again. Alright, this is an APK, which is where you download it, and then once you open the APK, it actually downloads from that APK. So do you want to install this application? Hit install. Okay, now you just have to wait. Alright, now it's finished. Hit done. And then you just want to find it. Over here is Epic Games. You just want to press it. And then you find two games over here, Battle Breakers and Fortnite. Now we want to download Fortnite, so just go press it, hit install, and now it's in the middle of downloading. It's coming pretty quick. Now it says it's not allowed to install, but just press settings and then press allow apps from the source. If you press cancel or you don't allow, then Fortnite won't download. And since this is from the Epic Games website, nothing will be wrong. And then hit install. And my phone is not officially supported by Fortnite, but I can still play it. Some phones might not work though. Alright, hit open. And just press continue. See, it may not work properly, but just hit OK and ignore it. Carry on. And then so if you have an account, just press yes, find my account. If you don't, create a new one. But I have an account. And I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with Google. And I'm just going to select this one. Now it's going to be in the middle of downloading. Just click install. 4.2 gigabytes to download. And as you can see, it's not officially supported, so it is partially supported, but not fully, so I can still play it, but I'll have reduced performance. Hit install. Okay, now you just wait for it to download. If it's the first time downloading it on your phone, then it will take a long time. Okay, so now it's nearly finished installing. And I'll show you how it looks when I open it. And if you're watching this video, then a sub to the channel would be amazing. Alright, 100% done. Now, just hit play. and then yeah, it reloads the app. Okay, and as you can see, we're actually logging in. It's working very nicely. Here's just a quick trailer, I'm just gonna skip it. Alright, now I'll just hit tap anywhere, select, got it. Just go back. And that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.